Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your iPhone. To change your ringtone on iPhone, first of all, open up your settings on your iOS device and within the settings menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you reach the sounds and haptics option. Simply tap on that and then under sounds and haptics, go ahead and tap on ringtone. You'll see a list of available ringtones. Tap on any ringtone to listen and preview it. Go ahead and select the ringtone that you'd like to apply, and after making a choice, it will automatically be set as your new ringtone. To get more ringtones, you can tap on Tone Store at the top, and then from this page you can simply download the iTunes Store, and from here, you can purchase or download new tones for your iOS device. That is how you easily set ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.